Is Google WebM pathing failed due to the vp8vfw library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. To start fixing vp8vfw library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the vp8vfw library, the WebM VP8 Video for Windows VFW codec. It provides an unmanaged interface for legacy AVI-based software to encode and decode VP8 video bitstreams. It manages the orchestration of high-compression visual manifests. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. vp8vfw is part of the graphics or audio runtime used by many games. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores missing DirectX components, while a GPU driver update handles OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA-related files. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered vp8vfw library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of vp8vfw library DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. A maintenance path for vp8vfw library and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing vp8vfw library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.